Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce you this 3-in-1 cordless electric weed Wacker and lawn mower in one device. It's a 6-inch battery powered, 2000 mAh lithium battery powered device. Included 3 types of blades. 6-inch, 12.24 centimeter. It's a lightweight design for the yard and garden care. Weed removal, ergonomic design, interchangeable blades. All in the box with a big, really big bunch of possibilities of that here. We have all what we need. We have a battery pack, or 2 battery packs, of course. We have a charger and anti-collision steering. We have a protection cover. We have handles. We have a screwdriver, a wrench, a tool bag, a plastic blades for glass, a rectangular blade for the side, circular blade 6 inches, a flat iron blade, goggles, and gloves. All that's possible. We have here a 12-volt, 2000 mAh battery. A guide bar type is battery powered. We have 2 pieces of sprocket type, and the guide length is 12 inches. The charging time is up to 3 hours. Okay, 2 pieces of battery. The wattage is 450 watt. We have a working time 15 up to 25 minutes. The motor is a copper motor. The length is 115 centimeter up to 130. The motor speed is 8,500 rounds per minute. We have the weight of 2.5 kilogram, battery included. The cutting blade diameter is 200 millimeter. And if we look at this thing, we have an anti-collision steering on the bottom side with the blades, the angle adjust button to adjust the angle, which should our device have for the ground. Then we have a telescopic rod, adjustable rectangular twist to make this telescopic rod adjustable in the length. We have a black plastic handle to grip, for a better grip. We have an on and off button, a safety lock, and the battery socket is in the grip on the bottom. Not on the upper side, of course. For installation, you can see it's really easy. We use a tool to loosen the small screw. Then we take off the small screw and the nut and the washer. We align the slot and install the circular saw blade, for example, the side with the verge towed up, of course. Then we put the washer and the nut into position back, and we can then tighten the small screw again. We insert the rectangular blade for a side cutting and fix it with screws. We install the anti-collision steering. We pay attention to the steering direction, and job's done, baby. We insert the battery pack. We make sure that the battery is fully charged before first use, and we enjoy the cleaning lawn. The safety lock won't reset until we release the on and off button, so we don't need to hold the safety lock during the work, of course. Charge the battery. The red light is on when charging, and the green light is on if it is fully to the maximum capacity. We install the grass trimmer according to that video here, of course. After installation is complete, the first no-load boot observes the normal operation of the machine. We keep the workplace clean and bright. Confusion and darkness can lead to accidents because this is not a toy, because it can cut your fingers, it can cut other fingers or other teeth or something else, so take care of you. Do not grass trimmer in explosive experiments such as flammable liquids, gas, or dust sparks. We do not leave children and other people to operate the power tools, of course. We avoid contact to surface such as a pipe, radiators, and refrigerators. If we use the grass trimmer when touching the conductor surface, it will increase the risk of electrical shock. We do not expose the power tools to rain or humidity. Water entering into the electric will increase, of course, to a risk of an electronic shock. We do not boost the charger, we keep the charger away from the heater, all sharp edges or moving parts. Damaged or twisted wires can increase the risk of an electric shock too. We do not operate the power tools with tiredness, drugs, alcohol, or other momentum where you are not yourself. We use the safety device and always wear goggles with a safety device such as a dust mask and safety shoes, helmet, and so on. We avoid sudden startups. We ensure that the switch on the power pass before the battery pack is plugged in. We remove the battery pack if we finish the outdoor work, of course. And then we can make a good job with that. We have high-performance batteries, of course. We have all what we need. We have 3 different blades, clean different weeds. For example, we have the plastic blades for grass, the flat iron blade for bigger parts, and of course the circle saw blade for trees or something else. We have a powerful motor or boosted power. We cut the weed with 450 watt and 8,500 runs per minute. Adjustable telescopic rod, safety lock, switch, all is on for a really cheap price. That's cool, and that's possible today to make a good garden job here. This is the 3-in-1 cordless electric weed Wacker and lawn mower, 6-inch battery powered. Good job, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.